Alrighty, next up we got Andrew's going to try two more finest. 1, 2 on the top, 3, 4, 5 on the bottom. 3, 1. That's 1, 2, 3. Actually, this whole left side. I'm just going to take these out. After Andrew, Derek Chi ordered one. They just want $9. I agree, Juice. Maybe not death slide, but serious injury slide. 99% of the time you'll walk away, but you will be in pain. It's the dude trying to save his family. What, the gas money guy? Here we go. Looks like I've got two color in the front. Victor Wanyama, 42 of 75. And a gold autograph, 4 of 50. Aiden Morris. Cucho. Chicharito. Jordi Alba, 250. Shaini, Vargas, Thor Olarsson, numbered to 99. Roman Salentano. Hani Mukhtar, 175. Torres. Ayala. Christian Benteke. Oh, you got a pink. 14 of 125. Lionel Messi. This is the best one, in my opinion, because it's a color match. Minus the superfractor. Color match 125. We were due for another color, but I was thinking we'd get his autograph. Swiderski. Gill. I guess we still, one of these boxes could have his autograph. Only one way to find out. Somebody else ordered one, JD. I'll be down to 2. JD. Derek ordered one after that. Yeah, that's true. Red would look nice in the wallet. Especially if it was autographed. Now you're just getting greedy. Why can't we sprinkle an autograph on it? Carol Swaderski. Bayuk. Alan Velasco. Noel Buck. Noah Cobb. 150 blue. Rooney. There's a regular Messi. Just a base card. Number to 75, Kip Keller. Kadiro. Christian Fletcher, 52 of 99. Every time I hear the word Fletcher, I automatically want to say Audrey Almada. That's from Liar Liar. She's like, Fletcher? And he's like, Audrey? It's funny the way Jim Carrey does it. Ramiro Enrique, 4 of 50. Bryce Duke, numbered to 150. Velasco. Timu Puki, 250. And base. Okie dokie. That will do it again, Andrew. I appreciate all those breaks, man. Andrew.